What's up guys, I'm Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Okra dressed with chili garlic sauce is a quick and easy Chinese style dish often prepared in an ordinary household. It takes the advantage of the intensely savory sauce paired with the light flavor okra with a slimy texture. You'll be surprised how tasty it is and how simple the preparation is. Okra is also known as the lady's finger in many English-speaking countries. And in this video, let me show you how I cook okra with garlic chili sauce. This Chinese okra recipe takes only 2 steps to complete. First, cook the okra, either steam or blanch, and then prepare the chili garlic sauce. Here's how to cook the Chinese okra style. After you purchase the okra from the market, clean it under running water briefly, then place it in a bowl of water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt to the water and then soak it for 10 minutes. Then rub each okra with your hand to remove those fine hairy stuff on the surface. Please wear a pair of gloves if your hand is sensitive to allergens. And remove the okra and wash again under running water and drain. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add some salt and then blanch the okra for about 2 minutes until cooked. You can see the color after blanching in the video, which has a bright green color. Remove the okra and place them in a bowl of ice water immediately. The purpose of transferring the cooked okra to the ice water is to stop further cooking immediately. This step helps to prevent the okra become too soft and the color from turning down. If you do not have any ice water, you can place it in a pot of tap water and change the water a few times until they are back to room temperature. When the okra is cold, remove and drain. Place the okra on a chopping board, cut off both ends. Halve each okra lengthwise. I would suggest either blanch or steam the whole okra and only cut away both ends after that. The okra can become quite slimy if you cut both ends before cooking, once the mucilage inside of the okra is exposed. Arrange the okra surface up on a serving plate. You may want to serve the whole okra uncut and half the okra, as that is my preferred presentation. Blanching the okra is a convenient way to cook it, but will cause the loss of some nutrients, particularly water-soluble vitamins. If you're concerned about this issue, you can steam the okra for 10 minutes, which will achieve the same result with few nutrients being lost in the process. Next, prepare the garlic chili sauce. The garlic chili sauce is ideal not only for okra, but also as the dressing for other meat and vegetable dishes. Coarsely chopped about 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Slice 2 bird's eye chili thinly. Bird's eye chilies are also called chili padi in Malaysia and it's very spicy. If you can't take the heat, you can reduce or omit the bird's eye chili and use the large red chili, which are less spicy. Remove the seeds of 1 large red chili, then cut the chili into short, thin strips. Place 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat in a small pan. Then add the garlic to the oil and saute for a minute. Add the chilies and saute for another half a minute until the raw taste of the chili has gone. Switch off the stove and then add the following ingredients. Maggi seasoning, light soy sauce, black vinegar, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, and mix well. Turn on the stove over low heat until the mixture starts to boil. You can omit the Maggi seasoning and use only light soy sauce if it is unavailable. If you wish to make it vegetarian, omit the oyster sauce. Remove from heat. Add a tablespoon of thinly sliced scallion ring to the sauce, and then mix well, and it is ready to use. To serve, arrange the okra on a serving plate, then dress with the garlic chili sauce. It is a cold dish and therefore does not need to heat up before serving. It is best to serve with steamed rice as the sauce has an intense savory flavor. That's how I prepare my version of okra with garlic chili sauce. I've included the recipe in the description below the video for your convenience. Please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a like if you like this video. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. And that's all for now. I'll see you again in another video soon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.